Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can drop your fruits on Grow a Garden PC version. Okay, let's get into it guys. On mobile phone, if you want to drop your fruit, you just need to hold your fruit and then you will see backpack icon. Then you can tap on the backpack icon to drop the fruit. But on PC, as you can see here that there is no backpack icon after we hold our fruits. So here I'm going to show you how you can drop your fruit. First you can hold your fruit like this and then you're going to click on your backspace key on your keyboard like this, and then the fruit will be dropped. Well, let me activate my on-screen keyboard. So just hold your fruit like this and then you're going to press the backspace button, this one. Yeah, just like that. Wait, and then you can pick it up. On PC, you can use E key, E button. Okay, let me drop one more time. I'm gonna drop the strawberry. I'm gonna show you my keyboard and click on this backspace. Okay, and this strawberry has been dropped. Okay guys, and that's how we can drop a fruit on Grow a Garden PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.